Dojo itself means we take it from Japanese word, which is place of the way. So we wanted to make the Dojo Bali as an environment to work and grow.
Dojo is a co-working space in Bali, about 1 minute from the beach in Canggu. Mainly our clientele is digital nomads and expats. There's around about 87 different countries. There's a lot of people working from different countries in here. Basically, the space is, we're trying to make it feel like a home when you come in here. It was a home at one point and we renovated it. The space is like very tropical and we've sort of kind of kept it rustic as well. That's one of the, so it's like a nice sort of homely feel. We've got a pool, we've got a no shoes policy, and you probably won't see anyone wearing suits or anything. The dress code is board shorts and bikinis. Surfboard racks out the front so you can have your surfboard and go for a surf in the morning. It's not a sanitised environment, it's quite chilled, it's laid back.
It's become like a family, like people come from all over the world, myself alone, and when they left Dojo, just like maybe for a few minutes crying, because we have really good connection. The members really good people.
What makes Dojo Bali special is, of course, about the community. So it's not just about when they are in space, but even when they coming back to their countries or they go to visit somewhere else, they still feel belong to this community.